to our C lecture, and then today we will continue to arrays. The arrays is a kind of list method in C languages. So how can we do that? For example, we have some values in numbers. Okay, and then we have like 50 numbers here, and then those numbers are students' number. It might be possible, of course. And then let's say the first student's number is equal to 10 and second student's number 25, and then the last student's number is equal to 36. So as you can see, I have three values here, and then these values are my list methods. As you can see, they are my student's number. So if I want to print the first student's number, how can I do that? Let's say printf and %d here we have, and then the number 1. I set the program, the print, the number is 1, print it to me. So let's run the program. As you can see, program gave us 25. Why? Because in C languages, also in all programming languages, the first value of the list is equal to 0. So we can say that the matrix, but you don't have to know that. So let's try 0 here. So what's the result? The result is equal to 10, because the first student's number is equal to 10, and then when I do number 0, it gave me 10. So I want to make an example, and then this about the average calculation. I guess it is kind of basic program for you, because we need to use 4 loops here. So let's try integer. I said the name of average, and let's say it would be have 10 elements in here. So I don't have to define the elements, because I will take the elements from the user. And the other thing is, of course, sum, because I need to make a total number, total average here. And let's say printf, please enter the values. As you can see, this is kind of basic, I guess. And let's make the for, the for syntax here. Integer I is equal to 0, and then until I smaller or equal to 10, make I one more and one more. So I need to scan the values, of course. Scanf %d, because I take the integer numbers here, and then average I. So until here, I hope you understand the program properly, because this is kind of basic, I guess. How can the program works? The program works like that. The I is equal to 0, and then average 0 is what the user entered. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 until 10, the program takes the values, and then I don't have to print the values again and again. So I am continuing to mathematical here. Integer, I said j is equal to 0 again, and then until j smaller or equal to 10, make j plus plus. And here I opened my parentheses, and then the formula is like that. Sum is equal to sum plus average j. Okay. In here, the program would work, and then the sum is now 0, and then for loops works one more time. It have 0 is equal to 0 plus, let's say, I mean the first student's number. Okay, and then in the second loop, the here is equal to first student's number equal to first student's number and second student's number. So the program works again. Second student's number is equal to second student numbers and third student's number. So the program works like that until 10, and then I need to print the result, of course. To print, I have here %d, of course, and then here I want to make the average is equal to, okay, average is equal to what? Here defining sum divided by 11, because I have 11 elements here. From 0 to 10 I have 11 elements, so find the sum of them and divide it by 11. So you can do that the program with float value, but int value is easier and kinda basic. That's why I made it with my integer. And then I want to make YouTube program make float and not maybe 10 numbers. You can do that with 5 numbers, but I want to make you a positive and negative numbers. So I think kinda difficult, not very difficult, of course. So I think everything is ready, so we can run our program. Let's say please enter values. I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, 13, 14. So as you can see, the average is equal to 9. Oops. You need to do like that, of course. Now the program would work because 9 is not here. 9 is after equal sign. So let's run it again. 1, 2, it doesn't matter. So as you can see, the average is equal to 16. Of course, you can calculate it with yourself, but I don't recommend it. The program can do that for you. So I hope you understand the arrays here. Of course, we have, of course, arrays in a kinda difficulties, but this is the basic of the array. So when you make an examples with project yourself, of course you can improve yourself, and then you can make you can build more complex projects here. So that's all today. I will see you on the next lecture. Take care.